We have a very small backyard and a really big cinder block fence. We've always wanted to find more room to plant some herbs and vegetables. So we're going to walk you through how we made these easy planter boxes out of cedar, and then we'll show you how we put them in the backyard. We kept this really easy in terms of measuring. It's a 4-foot planter box with a 6-inch height. And so we are going to need 3 lengths of 4 feet. And then the really neat thing about this is we made the ends a little bit decorative with this fence top, and we just make a 6-inch end piece, 2 end pieces, and then nestle the bottom of the planter box inside. And so that one is the only one that's going to be a little bit shorter to accommodate these end pieces. It's going to be 46 3/4 inches. We're going to start by placing these shorter ends onto the base of the planter, and just to make it super secure, we're going to use both wood glue and screws. So we were trying to figure out a way to hang these planter boxes without drilling into the concrete. So we came up with this design. It's made out of 2x2 strips of wood, and it's just kind of a hook design. And this is measured to literally hook behind this protruding cap. So it goes behind there and it hooks. And I'm putting a bit of weight on it. I mean, you're not going to do pull-ups on this, or I wouldn't, but all right, next we're going to put the eye hooks into our planter box and also into the hook that goes over the top of the fence. You basically just drill a pilot hole in the middle of your end, and then just screw in the eye hook, manually. It's very easy. The final stage here is to get your eye hook into that last link. The link is still open, so just pinch it closed like this. Okay. All right, so that's it. We've got our strawberries, basil, peppers. We're experimenting. We'll see how things do on here, but we really love how it looks, and we hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We hope you also subscribe to our channel and come back and see us. Thanks.